Okay, Mike, I wanted to take a quick video here and show you. This is a silicone restoration. We've been talking about some of that project in Augusta, why this one works well for silicone and why we chose it. First of all, the deck was in reasonably good shape. There was no moisture under the deck. So when we put this on, we've now sealed this thing. This is a non-permeable barrier, but you can see we had some issues we could not fix within budget, which is standing water right through here. So silicone, this roof's a couple years old. You can see the water stood. There is no degradation under there. It was a really good candidate. We had some water back here. Again, we just didn't have budget to fix some of this stuff. Had we done an acrylic, had we done some other products, at this point this would all be chipped away, flaked away, just in terrible condition. But you can see here, he had some leaks in here. We had to tear out, do some small repairs. But you can just see, roof's in good shape. It's going to maintain in good shape. Life expectancy on this roof is going to be somewhere around 15 to 20 years. So that's why we chose that here. I'm going to take you on the next video once and show you where somebody else did a repair using silicone, thinking they'd fix the issue, and what I think we're going to see over on that old Walmart building.